In the next few years, phones will heal themselves, robots will cook your dinner, and AI won't just write scripts, it'll star in the movies. This isn't science fiction. These 15 breakthrough technologies are being tested right now, and they're set to flip the world on its head. Let's count down what's coming. 15. Self-healing materials and shape-shifting tech. Drop your phone, wake up the next morning, and it's like nothing happened. That's the future researchers at MIT, Stanford, and Illinois are shaping with polymers that can repair scratches, cracks, and even cuts on their own. They're already testing underwater healing for satellites, space tools, and robotic skin. The tech is here, and it's evolving fast. 14. AI-generated movies, games, and virtual actors. We've seen AI draw pictures. Now it's writing full movie scenes and building game worlds. Tools like OpenAI's Sora are producing film-quality visuals from simple text. Studios are testing AI stunt doubles. News anchors in China are already digital clones. 2027 might be the first year we see a commercially released AI-produced film. 13. Household robots and fully automated homes. Forget smart speakers. Robots are coming into the kitchen, living room, even the nursery. Toyota's cooking bots, Dyson's cleaning bots, Amazon's Astro surveillance robot, and don't forget Tesla's humanoid prototype. In just a couple of years, domestic robots could be as common as Roombas are today. 12. Climate tech and ocean cleanup bots. While world leaders debate climate policy, engineers are already acting. Robots are clearing plastic from oceans. Carbon capture plants are scrubbing CO2 straight from the sky. Microsoft signed a deal to buy captured carbon. Japan and the Netherlands are building autonomous cleanup fleets. The age of industrial-scale environmental tech has arrived. 11. Biocomputers and DNA data storage. What if you could store all of YouTube inside a teaspoon of DNA? Researchers are encoding files into synthetic DNA strands and retrieving them flawlessly. Biological computers made from living cells are simulating disease, solving problems silicon can't. Storage and computing may soon go cellular. 10. Holographic displays. With no headset, no glasses. No headset. Just floating 3D visuals. Lightfield Lab and MIT are building panels that project lifelike 3D images into space. Medical schools already use it to study anatomy. Car dashboards may soon be holographic. By 2027, we may interact with screens that aren't even there. 9. AI-designed medicines and personalized treatments. AI doesn't just analyze data anymore, it invents new drugs. DeepMind's AlphaFold revolutionized biology by predicting protein shapes. Now, AI-designed drugs are entering clinical use, and treatments are being tailored to your DNA. The future of medicine? One patient, one formula. 8. Brain-computer interfaces go mainstream. Imagine texting with your thoughts. Stanford and Neuralink have shown brain implants that let people control computers without moving. Typing, clicking, even speaking just by thinking. We're one step closer to merging mind and machine. 7. Implantable and non-invasive health sensors. Forget checkups. Your body could stream real-time diagnostics. Implants are being tested that monitor glucose, oxygen, and more, all wirelessly. Optical sensors may replace needles. By 2027, chronic illness management could be fully automated. 6. Quantum-powered AI for science and medicine. Quantum computing is no longer just theoretical. IBM, Quantinuum, and others are pushing into real applications. Modeling chemistry, predicting drug behavior, and even optimizing materials. AI powered by quantum tools could make today's research look like dial-up. 5. Fully autonomous delivery and AI traffic control. Driverless deliveries are already happening. Waymo, Cruise, and Walmart are testing cargo without humans. Meanwhile, AI systems are managing traffic lights in real time to cut gridlock. Within 2 years, autonomous logistics could quietly become the norm. 4. Smart glasses could replace smartphones. Calls, texts, AI assistants, floating right in your line of sight. Meta, Apple, and other giants are racing to shrink smart glasses into all-day wearables. By 2027, your next phone might not be in your hand, but on your face. 3. 6G and satellite phone connectivity satellites that text your phone. Starlink and AST SpaceMobile are already testing direct-to-phone satellite networks. 6G is in development across Asia, Europe, and the US. The next wave of global internet access won't come from towers, it'll come from orbit. 2. AI agents that think, plan, and execute tasks. AI isn't just answering questions anymore, it's booking flights, writing code, and handling support tickets on its own. These agents are being built to work across apps, automate workflows, and even manage your schedule without detailed instructions. It's not a tool, it's a digital assistant with initiative. 1. Fusion energy. Power of the stars on Earth. Fusion energy just crossed a major threshold. Net energy gain. That means more power out than it took to start the reaction. Projects around the world are now racing to build reactors that can scale. It's not ready for your power bill yet, but if momentum continues, 2027 could be the year we finally crack the clean energy puzzle. Tech is moving faster than we can explain it, and by the time you finish this video, half of it might already be outdated. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to check out the next video. It's all about the AI tools that are reshaping everything.